Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to hide subscribe button count on your YouTube channel. First, go to YouTube Studio, then go to Setting, go to Channel and Advanced Setting. Scroll down and you will see subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Just untick this column, then click Save. Now go back to your channel. Click any of the video and the YouTube subscribe button was high. To show back the YouTube subscribe button count, use the same step as before. First, go to YouTube Studio, go to Setting, go to Channel, Advanced Setting, then tick this display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Click Save. Now go back to your channel, click on any of your video. Now the subscribe button count was displayed on your channel. That's all from me today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.